Hey there! Welcome to another edition of CJ Sings 2026. We're going to take another ride back in my time machine to 2003. I wrote a couple of songs for a contest in Nashville. We listened to Never Alone last week, and this week is side B. It's called Rescue Me. And welcome to my first ever, although prehistoric technologically wise, this is my first attempt at a music video. Have a good day. God bless you.
Lord, all around us there's nothing but strife. People are hurting, so much pain in their life. The enemy's raging, seeking those to devour. He knows that he's finished, it's his final hour. Lord, help us be steadfast, these storms will soon be past. Dear brother, hold on, for this onslaught it won't last. So many are sinking, their lives stuck in quicksand. Stand firm on the rock and hold firmly to his hand. Lord, rescue me. Won't you please rescue me? Have your way in my life, oh Father, please. Lord, rescue me. Lord, rescue me. Oh Lord, you will come like a thief in the night. I'm hoping for me that my heart will be right. Many will call upon you and your name. Your only reply, who are you to their shame? Lord, rescue me. Won't you please rescue me? Have your way in my life and hold me through the night. Lord, rescue me. Lord, rescue me. Jesus, here on my knees. Have your way in my heart and give me a new start. Lord, rescue me. Lord, rescue me.
Hope you have a good week. We'll try it again next week. God bless you.